Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own high-pressure, non-electric water pump in just 2 minutes. Perfect for moving water from a lower to a higher elevation without relying on electricity. Let's dive in. First up, the materials you'll need. A large bucket or barrel for the water source, PVC pipes and fittings, check valves, a flexible hose, rubber gaskets, Teflon tape, a hammer, a manual drill, and a few bricks or stones. You can find these at any hardware store or online. Alright, step 1, setting up the water source. Place your bucket or barrel in a stable location. If possible, elevate it slightly to let gravity assist with the initial water flow. Next, let's assemble the pump mechanism. Connect your PVC pipes to create a simple pumping structure. Install the check valves to ensure water flows only in the upward direction. Use Teflon tape on the threads to prevent any leaks. Attach the flexible hose to the top end of the setup. Now, set up your pump. Place the entire assembly into your bucket or barrel. Make sure the hose is securely fastened and leads to your desired location. Use bricks or stones to elevate parts of the assembly if needed. The check valves will allow water to flow upward when you manually pump the mechanism. Finally, let's get this pump in action. Manually operate the pump by moving the mechanism to create pressure. Watch as water gets delivered to where you need it, all without electricity. To wrap up, you've now built a high-pressure, non-electric water pump. Remember, you can always tweak the setup to increase pressure. Maintain the pump by regularly checking the valves and seals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. See you next time.